This male hooded parrot is not only one of the most colourful birds of the outback, he's also one of the smartest. He and his partner have found the perfect place to keep cool. A termite mound, built up to 8 meters tall and expertly designed to keep the heat out and the moisture in. Their chicks are almost ready to fly the nest. Just a few more meals of grass seeds and they'll be off. But there's something troubling on the wind. The tinder-dry grassland is dangerously vulnerable to bushfires. Many of the plants contain flammable oils, which supersize the inferno. Bushfires can reach more than 1,000 degrees Celsius, destroying everything in their path. The parents fly away while there's still time. The chicks have one last chance to follow. But now, it's too late. The winds carry something